Evening, everybody. I had a comment about using the butcher twine. This is the old-fashioned way. Most of the sewing machines now come with a gathering foot. I don't even know what my... Oh. I don't know where mine is. This is it. Okay, right here. And it has a little lip, and it will pull the material so it makes it gather. But it's only good for one layer of material. So I do it the old-fashioned way, which is you take some butcher twine, and wherever you need to gather, let me get down here. You put your sewing machine to the, I don't know, I do like a pretty long zigzag. And all you do, and it's like usually like 3/8. Okay, so all you do is just zigzag over your butcher twine. And then you stop, you know, wherever your marks are. Okay, and then you have your two ends, and then you can pull it where you need to gather. And that's it. That's all. Okay, then there's another way, and I don't use this way, but you would make, and you have to leave a tail on both ends, and you would just go down straight, lift up your foot, then you would go again. Be sure you have a tail. And start again. Lift up your needle, leave a tail. Okay, then you can start gathering your ends like this. So you would just use the 2 rows and just gather them. Now, I don't do this because half the time the string will break. It doesn't give you a really good gathering, not like the butcher twine does. And you have to work at it a lot more. But see, you would have your gathering like that. And then that's the butcher twine. And it's just a lot easier to use the butcher twine. So I hope that explains that to that subscriber. I have shown that in different videos, how to do the butcher twine. I don't show it in every video, because most people have watched the videos and seen it. So when I say use the butcher twine to gather, that's what I'm saying what to use. So I hope that helps that subscriber out. If there's anything else anybody wants to know, just comment. Most of these patterns are beginner friendly. I think all of them are that I do. And I try to explain what to do without trying to make these videos that long. You know, it's essentially sewing straight, gathering, putting your buttonholes in, using your snaps, making darts, using interfacing. So, I mean, it's basic sewing, even for the beginner. So I hope that helps you out. I just buy my butcher twine at my grocery store, and I don't know, it was like $3.99 or something. This was pretty big. And then what I do is when I'm done gathering something and you pull it out, I just hold on to my string. I have a bunch of it. And that way, you know, don't throw it out, because it does, you can use it over and over and over again till it finally frays and breaks. So that's it, but I hope that helped her out. So I'm waiting. It's storming now. I was going to go up today to get the fabric for the pajama pants, but I had to mow the lawn again, and then I went swimming with my golden doodle, and he didn't want to come out of the water. So we stayed in for a little bit longer than I wanted to, and then got my shower in, and I just threw on my nightgown for the afternoon, and but now it's storming, so I can't do anything. But I hope that helps you out. Don't forget, look at the special video for the free pattern. Just type me in the comments, and we're almost at the time to pull a name out of the basket. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. And if I can help anybody with any of the patterns, please just comment. And you all have a good night, and as soon as I get that material, we'll start making the pajama pants. Have a good night, be safe, and pray for our country.